Guys, it's Clara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is this week's Aldi haul, and I do have a meal plan for the week, but it's fairly simple. Still, I will share it with you at the end. Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, I typically do a lot of Dollar Tree videos, but I do also do occasional Aldi videos. So if you like that kind of thing, please check me out and subscribe. So we just returned from vacation and are missing a lot of stuff. So I kind of had to restock a bit. These are not all the groceries for the week because my husband ended up going to Kroger and getting some burgers and fruit. But really for most of our meals, this is the bulk of it. So he had beef burgers. I will be having this instead. They are wild-caught teriyaki salmon burgers. I have not tried this before. Let me know if you've tried them. I love how they have Marzetti dressing sometimes. This is the Simply Dressed strawberry and poppy seed. They also have my favorite ranch, which is the classic ranch. It tastes like restaurant ranch to me, and I love that. My husband loved the specially selected indulgent Greek yogurt, the one with honey. This one is honey vanilla, so I assume I really like this as well. I would really like to chop up some of these strawberries, put them in here. I think I have some leftover blueberries as well in the fridge that might go very well with that. We'll be having a Mexican night, so I bought this pineapple salsa to eat with chips. And it's been a while since I've had V8, but for some reason I am craving tomato juice. I know this has a ton of sodium, and they did have the low sodium at Aldi, but seriously, I never buy this. I think I last bought this like a few years ago. Also, we'll be having a night of roasted vegetables. So in that will be some of the bell peppers, red onions, and some Brussels sprouts, and I have some sweet potatoes left over from a few weeks ago. Before I skip this stuff, we have the Sunday Shop orange cream bars. I was looking for the Alex's lemonade bars, you know, the one that has, they give money back to charity, but I could not find them. So I will look next time, but this is a pack of 12 and I hope they are delicious. Two of the dinners this week are salmon. This is the Mediterranean herb. We've had this before, really very good. And then I'll be using these chicken legs to make a chicken adobo. We'll have that with jasmine rice. As a side to the salmon, we'll be having some broccoli. This might also be a side to the adobo, or I might use zucchini if I don't use these all for lunches. Also bought some apples. I usually like to get Gala. I feel like they are our standard. They come through every time. We like them every time. But I thought I would give these young Honeycrisp apples a go. It's not really Honeycrisp season in my area, so I don't know how those apples would taste, but they're apples, which is my favorite fruit, or one of my favorite with strawberries. Also some almond vanilla milk, some portobello mushrooms. When I used to be a server at an Italian restaurant, they showed me how they made these. They would marinate them in olive oil and balsamic vinegar, and then they would serve them topped with a bit of scallions and cheese, and oh my gosh, it was the best hors d'oeuvre ever. Also a favorite of my daughter's are the English cucumbers. She eats these by themselves or with dressing. For Mexican night, the taco shells. And I mentioned the Brussels sprouts. Carrots also will be going into that roasted vegetable medley. And we have the iceberg lettuce to go with the tacos and also in sandwiches for the week. In addition to the tomato juice, I also have not had cranberry juice in a while. I know, I'm just craving these juices for some reason. To be honest with you, we almost never drink juice just because we prefer to drink iced tea or water. But yeah, for some reason, I was just craving them. I don't know. I might maybe need some vitamin C or something. Some cantaloupe. These were on sale for like 99 cents each or something. And yay, they brought back the dill pickles. So glad. I hope they just keep them around, you know? Come on, Aldi, please just keep them around. To dip into the salsa, we have the multigrain tortilla chips. For toast, some cinnamon raisin bread, yum yum. And for the week we have these cookies, oatmeal cranberry. These are so good. I know the oatmeal cookie doesn't have the best rep, like people either really like them or they don't. But yeah, these are so good, and they're kind of chewy a bit if you like that kind of thing. We usually have on Mexican night the just sharp cheddar cheese, but I thought we would give this a try. It's the taco style blend of cheddar and asadero finely shredded cheeses. So we'll see how that goes. I've tried cheeses that they have branded as Mexican cheese, you know, in the shredded section, like at Kroger and other stores, and we've really just always go back to the sharp cheddar, but we'll give it a go, give it a try. On salads for the week, I have the crumbled feta. Also on those salads, I'll add some chickpeas, some red onion, tomato. I have not been buying tomatoes lately just because a lot of our tomatoes have been coming in and we've been working on them. Also some cage-free eggs, we get these all the time. Some potatoes. And then if you like the Sara Lee artisan bread, this is a very close dupe. And specifically what I'm thinking of is using the celery and having tuna fish sandwiches. I'll also add some onion in there. And this bread is thick enough that it withstands the tuna very well. All right, so that is it for this week's, I was gonna say Dollar Tree haul, ALDI haul. Meal plan is really simple. I mean, I think I just said all of it, but I don't have the nights specifically planned out, but tonight we'll have burgers. I'll have the salmon burgers. My husband has the beef ones. Tomorrow we'll be having the tacos and chips and salsa. And then one night we'll also have the salmon with broccoli, and another night will be adobo chicken. Likely one or two of those entrees lasts us a couple nights, and then the other one or two nights we have either Chinese food or pizza, just something to support the local restaurants in our area. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.